In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Notion. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, your display name in Notion will be updated everywhere it appears, so teammates and collaborators see the right name on pages, comments, and shares. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check you're in the right one before making changes. Next, head to your profile settings. On desktop or web, look for Settings and Members in the left sidebar. Click that, then go to the My Account or Profile section. You'll see a field labeled Name. Click into that field and type the name you want to use. Keep in mind, this is your display name across Notion, so choose something consistent with how you want to appear to collaborators. Many people use their full name for clarity, but you can include a preferred name if that's how you're commonly addressed. If you're on mobile, tap the menu icon, open Settings, then Profile or My Account, and update the name field the same way. The layout is slightly different on smaller screens, but the option is in the same place conceptually. Notion typically saves changes automatically, but if you see a Save or Done button, go ahead and click it. Give it a moment to sync. If the new name doesn't show up right away, refresh the page or relaunch the app. You can confirm it worked by opening your profile again or checking a recent page or comment where your name appears. A few helpful tips as you finish up. If you're part of multiple workspaces, this name applies to your Notion account and will display across those workspaces. If you meant to change a workspace's name, that's a different setting under Workspace or Settings and Members for the specific workspace. Also, in team environments, some organizations follow a naming convention, so it can be useful to align with your team's standard. And if others still see your old name after you've changed it, ask them to refresh their app. Caching can delay what they see for a short time. That's it. Go to Notion, open your profile, change the name field, and you're done. A quick update that makes collaboration clearer and more professional across your pages and projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.